Hello, hello, hello. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Let me just quickly set up a few stuff on my end. Yeah, we are live. Absolutely. Awesome. So I assume we are live. Yeah, we are. Welcome to the stream, guys. I hope you all had a great trading day because I certainly did. Made some really good gains. I was streaming earlier as well. If you guys remember, I was streaming a bit earlier today where I gave you a few levels that I was looking out for. And yeah, it is playing out absolutely well for me. So no complaints, not at all. Yeah. Hey Manan, hey Anirudh, all of you guys, welcome to the stream. How was it for you all? Did you guys capture some good trades? We are currently just above VWAP. So now this is a very interesting area for me to book some profit, obviously, because we just started to close above VWAP and we do not yet see a good follow back, like nothing from the buyers. And this is a Ethereum trade that I've just took that you can see on the screen right here. That is what I am into. I took this trade on Mode Dex. I've been telling you guys that I have been trading mainly on Mode Dex itself. So yeah, this is where I'm trading. You guys can be trading here as well if you are interested, because this is literally the best exchange right now. It's a decentralized exchange, all right. So because it's a decentralized exchange, you can be like there's no KYC, no regulations, nothing at all. And a market which is pumping just like this, you can be making some insane amount of profit. That's the first thing. And second most important part about trading here on Mode is you get to make at least $100 every week, and that is absolutely for free. And that $100 you can just literally withdraw if you want to. All right, so it's that simple. Yeah, so I have to book some TP around this area, guys. Just give me a minute. Okay, market, perfect. So yeah, that's there. If I go on close, no, I don't want to close completely. I'm sorry, I messed it up. Okay, so yeah, I've set my TP a bit higher. That's the point. That's the reason why it's there. Yeah, so you can set multiple take profits if you want to. Like I've set one TP there, I can set another TP as well if I want to. So let's say I want to have some TP done at 2750. All right, so let's say 2750, and I just want to book 50% of the quantity and not more. All right, so yeah, that's done. And I can literally, like, even if I want to, I can just move it as well. Like I can set it here, I can set wherever it wants, so it will book 50% of the quantity as soon as it hits this area, and rest quantity at a bit higher. All right, so I have posted my trade. Awesome, brother. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Check out Euro USD. I will be doing that. Yes, absolutely. So now I can literally bring my SL at break even. So either it's going to be no profit for me or some profit for me, or because yeah, some profit or no profit. That's the scenario right around here. So let's quickly get here. Also, guys, I built something today. If you all remember, I was talking about a particular indicator that I was going to be like that I was going to build. I've started that. It has already like started working as well, but it's extremely basic. Nothing to what do you call complicated levels. But yeah, the basic it's completely ready as well. It's ETH. Yeah, I took the trade on Ethereum. I took the trade on Ethereum. So here we are almost about to hit that TP level, guys, which is at 245. Right. Okay, I need to flex the profit as well, right? Like, okay, guys, $80 running and sorry, 80K running. I should hype it up, right? So yeah, that's the scenario, but then that's fine. Okay, so 50% quantity got booked. I'm still holding the rest 50%. All right. So I am currently up by 122%. So instead of loving it, I should say no, no emotion trading. No emotion trading, correct? So that's there. Copied. Let me post it for what will be. Yeah, I'll let me get to that part. I'll get to that part. I'll explain you what I'm trying to build with that. Okay, so someone is spamming in our group, guys. Someone is spamming in our group. Yep, still fine. I've just posted that. Okay, cool. Or what I can do is I can literally bring this here and tell you guys, guys, I'm literally bored. All right, so I need to get out of this trade or some or such kind of BS. Like, okay, bring it extremely. I'm not even trying to like market out of this trade. All right. Oh, oh, eh, 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 eh. I got out of that trade. इतनी भी मस्ती नहीं करना चाहिए guys. I got out of the trade. I'm really sorry. But yeah, let's get to the analysis part. Let's discuss some of the important trading levels for the day. So this was one of the levels. If I still have them, yeah, this was one of the levels that I shared in the previous. I'm really sorry I got out of that Ethereum long trade. Uh, Malia is in more. Yeah, so this was the trade that was shared earlier with you guys. The very first reaction to that level, all right, just look at this. The very first reaction that we got was extremely great, all right. Like you just came in, you hit that level with the green candle and closed absolutely perfect. So yeah, that was a really interesting reaction to our level. Okay, how to join your private Telegram group? All you need to do is just sign up to this mode Dex where I was just trading, which you just saw me like where I was placing the trade. Just sign up to that account, add some funds, start trading there, and you will be added to the premium group. That it's that simple. You do not have to pay anything. All right, I'll make it very clear. The premium group, you absolutely do not have to pay anything for that at all. So that's there. What is the SL of 800 points? I mean, it was never supposed to be a fixed SL, and I did not trade Bitcoin, else that would have not been my entry. I would have entered somewhere around this area. So if I like go on a 5 minute time frame and share the volume footprint with you guys, just I'm trying to bring some elements of footprint in that indicator as well. So let's see. So let's see when that starts to perform. But yeah, so let me share something with you guys. So here, while you started to go lower when we started to push, all right. So this is again on a 5 minute time frame. So the very first sign that previous local low, all right, extremely local low, we took that out. Who is this Eagle Trader? Seems like you are a bit new to the stream, brother. My name is Fahad, and I stream on Bitcoin Hitpoint YouTube channel. And yeah, if you were not aware, that's me. Okay, cool. So guys, as I was saying, what do you see here? That you just dipped in, you took out the previous liquidity, and this is on a 5 minute time frame where you see almost 4 million negative delta, right? That's a 4 million negative delta. And even after like so many sellers in this particular candle, like at the very key level or a zone of interest, what do you see? That price has literally reversed even with a 4 million negative delta. So that is the very first sign of strength in the market. And if you like just keep on following this, like you've already got the like all the retailers trapped, so now it does not make any sense for you to move any lower than this, all right, because you've got already enough liquidity. So you would have entered anywhere around this area and placed your SL locally, all right. So that's how easy it gets when you start to use footprint and order flow and stuff in your trading. All right. So that's there. That's there. What else do we have in the chat? XRP. Yeah, I can have a quick look at XRP. Also, if you guys remember, in the morning we were discussing about Euro USD. Usually, I never do analysis or trade forex. Like recently, I've not been doing that. But this was one of those trades that we took, and yeah, absolutely a great trade. Like I should use some extraordinary words, like it was a banger trade. And after that, the price started to play out in our in our favor. So yeah, but someone was just talking about the XRP trade or the analysis. Let's go there. Switch to a bit bigger time frame. Yeah. All right. So it's taking some time to load. I guess TradingView has some issues today. I'm not sure what, but yeah, there are some issues. So like when the price got into your area and it gave you a crazy run like 500 points, there was where were we supposed to move our SL the at the local low? Then where we all right, so where you supposed to move your SL to the local low? I mean, see your SL. Like, let's not discuss where I was supposed to place my SL or where you were supposed to place your SL. Let's discuss in a point. Like, let's discuss it logically, or right? Let's discuss it on the basis of logic. So for you, let's say, all right, just for the sake of explanation, let's say if you are going to go long here, your logic will tell you to place your SL below the previous low, right? Like that is the logic. I mean, I'm sure you guys would agree as well. Let me know by saying yes or no in the chat. All right, so that is the logical place where you will place your SL. But for someone who might be using order flow and who sees that okay, there is already enough traders trapped around this area. So if you start to lose this level, probably your whole analysis is now invalidated, so now you can place your SL based upon that. But if you are someone who trades just on the basis of price action, you want to place your SL below this, and then when you change, let's say, your market structure, you go above this high, you can probably consider bringing your SL either at break even or below this previous low, right? Because chances are there that you might get to see a sweep of this lows where it will just hit your SL and then continue the trend. So yeah, you have to be prepared with that. So it's not about where I would place my SL or where you would place. It's about where does the logic makes the most sense to place your SL, all right? Where, whatever your strategy is or whatever you are planning to go with. Uh, AUD yeah, for sure. I'll look at it. Krunal Halpati Boom Bam Choom Cham trade. Yeah. That Boom Bam Choom Cham trade. If you guys remember, we were looking at that in the morning as well. Also, guys, for everyone who is just joining in, kindly make sure to like the stream as well, because you've just joined the stream, right? So yeah, do not forget to like the stream. I see we've got a lot of viewers and just 10 likes, so yeah, that does not make sense. We've got almost 45 viewers and just 10 11 likes, so make sure to hit the like button as well. And if you are new, obviously make sure to hit the subscribe button as well. Subscribe. Trade when the send doesn't grow for that one. Yeah, that trade that I showed you, was, I'm sure you are asking that question because you are not available in the previous stream that I did earlier. So if you would have been a part of that, I explained the whole logic around it. But then yeah, it was shared on the live stream. So there was a SL which was bigger than what I shared. And I did not even get into that contract, all right? So I'm not even trying to say that, okay, I got in and you guys did not know. I planned the trade, analysis played out, but I was not in that because I took the trade in Ethereum, all right? Because I'll tell you why I was interested in Ethereum more today rather than Bitcoin. Yeah, I mean, it makes sense. Ethereum is sorry, Bitcoin is pumping really nice and everything. uh Also on Ethereum, guys, I shared this level earlier. I mean, I should at least farm this level for at least a week, right? Because I absolutely gave the bottom signal. So I should now keep on flexing about this particular level for a week, or until unless it gets invalidated. But then yeah, that's fine, that's fine. So as I was saying, Ethereum is showing like really good strength. That's the first sign. And recently the pump on Ethereum, it's not like equivalent to what Bitcoin is doing, all right? So it gets volatile, it gets aggressive. So yeah, it makes a lot of sense for you to be looking at it. Indicator. All right, so it's not yet updated, it seems, but that's fine. That's completely fine. I would, I was expecting my indicator name to be visible here. It's visible on my other layout probably, but then yeah, I'll share it with you guys once it is completed, or it is working right now. I mean, whatever basic level that I look out for, it is already there. But once it is not, I won't say that okay, once it is completed only then I'll show it to you. But then yeah, I'll let you guys know about it. Ethereum is going absolutely crazy. We are back testing the daily open level and we got that reversal. So that was actually my logic of getting into the trade. All right, so I'll show you. If I just use the FRVP tool, let it load. I'm not sure why there's so much issue, but then yeah. Okay, not on this. Probably a whole trend. Okay, yeah. So you see, there was an extremely interesting volume spike that I was interested in. That was just around this area. And after that, not just the volume spike, but then also the daily open level was just around here, the Monday level as well. So there were a lot of levels just around this area. That's the first point. And second, it was in such a great uptrend. Like Ethereum was showing such good strength that I would have been a fool to not trade Ethereum today. I do not like trading Ethereum a lot, but yeah, it shows a lot of strength today, so I had to take it. Funded account, ETH futures. Funded accounts are pretty, like, they are a bit complicated. I get that part. Like you have to be, you cannot enter with what do you call, because the leverage there is fixed, all right? It's always 100x leverage. You cannot lower that. It's because sometimes you have a bigger SL. In that scenario, you cannot enter with your normal quantity because you might just get liquidated. All right, so that is one of the biggest issues. So for forex, I mean, I would say it's fine, but for cryptos, when you are planning to get into a swing trade where your SL is of 2% but target is of, let's say, of 10, 15 or 20%, so the target is absolutely fine, but then a 2% SL is not. It might just get you liquidated, and again, you probably might have to hold that trade for 3, 4 or 5 days, and you have to pay the overnight charges as well for each and every trade. So that gets complicated again. Do you actually trade this amount of quantity for regular trading, or this was just to show us? No, that was just to show you guys. So I have a mode account. So I have two mode accounts. All right. So I've created two wallet. Second one is created under my own link because obviously I get some good trading fee discounted, right? So I made my second account just under my own link. There I trade my major quantity, and this account is just for the streaming purpose so that I can show you guys as well what are the pros and cons and everything of mode. And obviously I have to stream live as well. So yeah. Manan, do not see your message. What will be the use of the indicator? That's my personal indicator. I'm building it for my own trading. I mean, I'll show it with you. I'll show it to you guys probably or whatever. But then yeah, I'm not building it for a purpose. I'm just building it for myself, for my own trading. All right, to reduce the manual part of my trading. All right, because see, I levels and everything, they have to be marked in the same way, all right? No matter what the market conditions are, level naked level will be marked in the same way, be it a trending market, dumping 360 market or whatsoever. All right, so it does not matter. So levels I think can be automated. But if you mark those support resistance or supply demand in a scenario like that, you will have to be, you cannot automate that because again, already it was not making any sense. Now automation will just mess it up. So that's something there. But yeah, SL Kadega, I'm really sorry for you, brother Sarthak. Uh, Long on AUD USD. Sure, I can have a look at it. Give me a minute. I'm not a big fan of Forex, anyways, but yeah, can obviously have a discussion on that. Okay, so you are long from around this area. The VWAP is literally the only lifeline that I see here for you, or probably the POC will be. Yeah, POC and VWAP. Where does the POC land? Let's see. Okay, so you are already below POC, all right. And 26, 24 minute, I'm sure you might not be using that. Either a 30 minute. Okay, on 30 minute it changed because it considered mode candle. Yeah. So you are looking at this as your POC. Your very first candle took a support there, but yeah, nothing too crazy. You went below it, you closed. This is a sign of weakness according to me. But that's on a bigger time frame. If we on a smaller, let's say on a 15, yeah, 15 minute is something which everyone uses. You can either take out this local liquidity and then reverse. All right, that's the only scenario. If not, I do not see a lot of support in this price action. Eventually, you are going to go lower. So if you lose VWAP and POC, your next level is at volume area low, which is at 65045. Why do I feel the volume in Bybit charts are very less? Like the volume profile looks so every time, I would not agree with that, but again, it's not it's just my opinion. It's based upon what I've been looking at for a very long time. Probably I'm just used to that particular chart. But then for volume, I look at BingX as well. I look at Binance chart as well. So it's not just one particular chart that I go for. But then yeah, for intraday purpose and all, I'll be fine like sticking with just Bybit. But then all the major trades they have to be planned with all the other charts as well. Hey Ankit, what's up, brother? Welcome to the stream. Uh, can you check Bitcoin from 6 May? For me, it's not working due to the version. Okay, okay. Yeah, sure, I'll do that. I'll definitely do that. Gold में तो yeah, we can have a look at gold as well. This is what gold right now looks like. Uh, yeah, it is. It is absolutely interesting. Also, give me a minute. Just give me a minute, alright? I have to do something. Just a minute. All right, all right, all right. So when I look at this price action, this is not a lot. We've got a local uptrend on gold while we tried to take some support at VWAP, but we just trapped all the buyers and just dumped. You've lost your POC. You are about to lose volume area low. So this is literally the last hope for this trend to continue. Even if I consider the fib levels, yeah, this is literally your last hope for a continuation on gold. If you see strength inside this zone of interest, feel free to get into a long trade. If not, just stay away from the market. All right, is what I would say. Yeah. You can be using BingX for that, Swapnil. The link will be in the description. You can use that if you are interested in trading gold. It's available on BingX. So yeah, that would be your go-to choice for trading whatever. Like you can trade commodities, you can trade forex, you can trade crypto as well. Recently, I've been like mostly traded. I've been trading mostly all my crypto assets on Mode Dex itself. I'm not trying to spread out my funds and trading into different exchanges. So majorly, I'm trading on Mode itself. And the major reason for that is because I do not want to feel left out. The Dex trading, it's obviously the future of trading, and I want to be a part of it. I do not want to be the last person who shifts to a Dex. All right, so yeah, that's there. We had an important level where we started to reverse from, but that's fine. Okay, so if I okay, I'm just testing this out. If I can, okay, something went wrong. Oh yeah, that indicator, it seems like it is facing some issues. That's bad. Oh yeah, that's from the yeah. I'll show it to you guys later probably. Else it will take a lot of time. Krishna, yeah. As per the setup, that's a valid one. If I look at the exo charts as well for some confirmation, we do have a few important levels just below us at 108k, like exactly 108k. So that is going to be extremely high probability level, which I'll be looking at for a long opportunity. I can see that the open interest has started to push higher while the CVD is going higher as well. So here, if let me show you, all right, let me show you. You see, the longs are entering into the market, but the price is still not able to sustain. There has to be a reason behind it, right? Like if every new trader is trying to buy or is trying to go long, what's the logic? Why are we not able to push this price higher? Probably there is a bigger player who is just absorbing all those long trades, and once the retailers they get exhausted, it might just reverse the price. All right, so that is what you see as of now. But then again, it's not just that the longs are entering into the market, the shorts are pretty much aggressive as well. All right, so this is what the shorts are looking right now. Even they are pretty aggressive. So this is that one of those moments where the market has to decide a particular direction, and like one direction traders, sorry, one direction was a band, but yeah, one of these direction traders are going to get wrecked because the open interest, it's massively high. All right, locally whatever you are seeing for the open interest is, it's peaking, like it has been the highest throughout the day, what you see right now. So yeah, this is where the massive volume is coming in right now. Thank you so much, E-Trade suggestion. It moved like you said. Yes, absolutely opposite. Happy that you took the trade and made some money. Even if you're not, at least you did some, like you got some knowledge. So that's the best part. Wait for strength. Yes, absolutely, absolutely. Your value area volume is 25. I didn't get the question, brother. I'm really sorry. I didn't get that question. Okay, what else? What else? Date ho gaya. Absolutely fine. That's fine, Harshpreet. That's absolutely fine. That's fine for you as well, Creaky. All of you who are just joining the stream, welcome to the stream, guys. I hope you all had a great trading day. Okay. Yeah, so that's messed up. Okay, yeah, now it's working. Awesome. What else? So basically, Coinalize gives wrong data. No, it does not. I've been using Coinalize for a very long time. I still use it. No, I do not think Coinalize gives us the wrong data. Coinalize is on it as well. So yeah, what? Let's see if there are any changes in Coinalize and this. Nope, it's the exact same. Like you can look at the open interest. It is going higher. All right, so open interest is going higher. You can look at the CVD as well. Even the CVD is going higher, and that is the exact same thing that you got to see on the exo charts as well. So I don't think so. The data is not correct. I do not think so. I do not think so. It's incorrect. Sure. So just give me a second. I'm looking at the chart. Let's see what do we have here. Yeah, everything seems perfect to me, to be honest. Yeah, the market is reversing. Everything looks perfect. Any trades? Yeah, it was shared a bit earlier. That's it. Like in Ethereum as well. Ethereum trade was not shared. I took that personally, but the Bitcoin trade was absolutely done. Yes, current resistance is right at the VWAP. If you are able to take that out, you are going to fly. Screen stuck? I don't think so. I don't think so. The screen is stuck. I was just looking at a few things, so probably that might be one of the reasons. But other than that, I don't think so. It's stuck. Oh, okay. Yeah. Perfect. 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 Check from 6th May. If you want to check from here till the current price action, I would say, I mean, I can do it, but that's the absolutely wrong way to use the FRVP tool, brother. I mean, I'll do it for you if you want to, but that's literally the wrong way to use it. This is not accurate levels any in any sense. Like there is literally no context of using it the way how you used it. I mean, I did it for you, but yeah, just a suggestion because I've been using it for some time now. So that's the only reason why I said it. It was in 30-minute time frame. Why would you want to stick to a particular time frame if like time frame does not change its volume, all right? Like because if there was 24 million volume in a daily candle, so even if you like divide it into 30 minutes, the volume is going to be 24 million, all right? It's not going to increase or decrease. So yeah, that's the whole point. It does not matter what time frame you are looking at. It is supposed like you have to use the exact level. That's it. Cool. Can I refresh it? Something is. Oh yeah, here you see. Yes, this is. And I cannot show you the tags probably, but then you can see the name for our trades. I'm still building it. It's still in the building phase. It's not published, so even if you like search for it, you won't be able to get it. But then again, it's not something that okay, I want to keep it extremely private or whatnot. But once it is ready or once it has some good results, I mean, result wise, obviously, it just marks the level how I want it to mark. But yeah, and currently it's marking the basic levels, important but basic. So yeah, I'll definitely share it with you guys as well. So that is the name. Obviously, that's not finalized yet. Once it is, I'll let you guys know. Trading view to bilkul say, yeah, trading view is perfect. Trading view is perfect. I mean, yeah, it's fine. It's absolutely fine. Manan Agarwal, yes, absolutely. Yes, I would love to do that. That's a great advice for sure, for sure. I'll because the script of this indicator is going to be private, so for sure I can share with you guys in CMM. I'll definitely do that. I've finished recording about 3 videos today for CMM only. All right, I'm not even talking about the footprint, guys. Just for CMM, I finished recording 3 videos, and after the call that we had with the team today, I can say the vision for the CMM community members. It's not just like okay, trading entry exits and all. No, the face of CMM is going to like, yeah, levels still going to be the same, absolutely insane, absolutely great. But then the addition that is going to be like that you are guys are going to see in CMM, it's going to be insane. I mean, I recorded the videos and I literally enjoyed making them. And it was like, okay, the best uh, perks of CMM. Yeah, it's literally one of the perks because it has insane amount of perks just by being in CMM. You have some insane perks. I usually do not recommend like something very firmly or okay, you need to do this until unless it's about your trading. And CMM is literally one of those things which I'll tell you that okay, I can literally kind of guarantee it that yeah, if you watch it, there's no going back from it. You won't be like, okay, now I need to shift to our next trading strategy or something like that. Nope, you are never going to do that because you'll see how insane or how crazy those levels are. Yeah, so someone who was asking me about the ETH trade, this is what my trade currently looks like. This is, it was even a bit lower entry if I'm not wrong. I'm not sure what the entry was. I'll just have a look at it. But then, yeah, this is what my Ethereum trade right now looks like. Bitcoin, it's still just ranging around the entry, nothing too crazy. All right. And again, this is not a great sign. I'll tell you why. Because the very first thing what you see, and this is a trade management thing for everyone. All right. So everyone who is watching the stream, this is for all of you guys. Whenever right now it's VWAP, but then it does not matter whatever trading strategy you guys use. So let's say this was your entry point, but you got a resistance right around your entry point. That does not mean, all right, even if you have a resistance zone, that does not mean that you cannot trade the plan. If you have great confirmations, you are definitely going to go for it, all right. So that's the first thing. But what do you see? You have been ranging right below your resistance for a very long time. You're not able to take it out. First thing. Second, on the basis of price action, this has started to look like a bearish flag. I mean, you might do something like this and then eventually just dump. All right. So you have to be prepared with all the scenarios. No matter how great the confirmations were, you have to be prepared that, okay, this still has the chances of going against you. Do CMM need TradingView Premium? Absolutely not. CMM is literally one of those programs that I've built which does not need you to pay for anything else. All right, you do not have to pay for any, like literally not even a rupee for anything else. Everything there is top notch, and it's not even like you'll have to adjust that. Okay, because that was a paid version and now you are getting something for free. So you'll have to adjust or like miss out on some of the perks of it. Nope, it's absolutely top notch, and yeah, if you go for it, that's it. You do not need anything after that. Difference, there is a minor difference, I'll be honest about it. There is, but it's not that massive that it will impact your trading. Obviously there is a difference. I mean, that's a 1500, 1600. If you go for a lifetime subscription, it has $1,600 or $1,700 as its fees. I'm not sure about the price, alright, so don't quote me on that, but yeah, it's high. So yeah. Okay, yeah, I was showing you guys the Ethereum trade. Huh? So this is what my Ethereum trade looks like, and that's it. Now let's try to have a look at the altcoins as well, if there are any opportunities. Probably we have a shorting opportunity on virtual, but then it's not listed on many exchanges. I'm not sure if it's there on mode. Let's have a look. We want to be trading virtual. Oh, it actually is. Damn. Look, they have a wide collection of assets, is what I would say. Right? You might miss a lot of uh, such altcoins in your normal exchanges, but yeah, it's all listed on mode. All right, so it's all there. Sir, वो एस भेजा था टेलीग्राम पे वो लड़की. Yeah, I mean the top G, that guy is literally doing random stuff. I mean, I do not want to make every stream about the streamers. Yes, few streams is fine. But then these guys, they are the kind of gambling they are teaching you without even like, see, every trader, I feel, who are in this category, they have their own unique way of trying you to, what do you call, basically seduce you to get into their trading community. I think that would be the right word. uh, the top G guy, I think what he tries to push is, I am a social worker. The only reason why I am doing what I am doing is because literally all other influencers are here to scam you, and I'm the guy who's going to save you. Also, buy my course because only I can save you. If that was the scenario, I mean, that was one of the lines that I've heard him say. I mean, there are a lot of other shit that he has said, but this is something which really stayed in my mind because I saw that live. All right, so that was the point. How he was trying to show every YouTuber like they are trying to scam. I mean, it makes sense. Most of the YouTubers are. I'll accept the point. There he is, right? All right, but you cannot say the only reason because someone said, "Bhai, why don't you make your own course free if everyone else is trying to scam?" Or why don't, yeah, someone said that you should now stop selling the course. That is what someone said him, and he said, I cannot stop selling the course because every other YouTuber is trying to scam and only I'm the right guy. I'm here to save you all from all the scammers. And I was like, if you are there to do this kind of social work, just make it free now. I mean, literally you have such a big community. If you make it free, it will make your community go like, it will make your community grow by 2x 3x or probably even more. All right, so if you have 1 million, it probably might reach 2 3 million that easily. All right, if you just make it free now, if that's your whole point. But but just accept the fact. I mean, I have nothing against, okay, why course or whatnot. Even I have my own strategy built. I do not have anything against it, but then just to sell your stuff, do not try to say that you are the only guy who can do it. I never said that CMM is the only strategy which will make you profitable. I'll never say that. But then I have my belief in it. I've seen people make money out of it, and I can vouch for it. I can say, and this is something which I've said on many live streams. If you get into CMM, as soon as you finish it, I'm very sure you'll drop me a DM saying that, okay, this actually worked, or the levels are insane, or whatnot, or this is my doubt, or this is my questions, because we have kept it that way. You can always reach us out. You can always ask your questions. We give you a lifetime access, not just to the program, but to our Discord community as well, to a group of people who are exactly using that same strategy. And they keep sharing their ideas, they keep sharing their trades, their analysis, and everything. And you guys can all connect at a single platform and then make the most out of it. चिलैक्स भाई हम भी हैं वाउच करने के लिए थैंक यू सो मच ब्रदर थैंक यू सो मच थैंक यू सो मच चलो perfect 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 let's get back to our trading view. Let's get back to our trading view. Yeah, so this is trading view. And also for people who wanted to know about if you guys have a question that how you can watch open interest on something, and this is again free tool, you do not have to pay anything for that, and I won't just like, just because it's free, I'm not going to hide it from you all. This is a website which is called as coinallies.com. This looks like trading view. It is as easy as trading view, all right. You guys can literally go here. You can check out for open interest. You can check out the CBD. Okay, let me know in the chat, guys. Is there someone who does not know what open interest or CVD or whatever you are seeing on your screen? Do you guys? Is there someone who does not know what this is? If I get good enough response, I'll be happy to explain you guys. All right. Yeah, I'll be more than happy to explain it to you. So yeah, quickly let me know in the chat if you guys know what this thing that you are seeing on the screen is. All right. Yeah, just let me know about it. Uh, Also, quickly, guys, we've got almost 45 viewers and we've reached 26 likes. So kindly, if there is someone, I mean, there is someone who is watching the stream and has not yet liked it, do like the stream as well. And if you are new, obviously make sure to hit the like button as well. Any offers coming for CMM? Just got a job, so need to save money. I'm not sure. Nay, there's no offer or something coming up. But if you use Crypto 24, that might give you a limited period offer on that, because it was supposed to be ended like the Crypto 24. That code was supposed to be like, yeah, it should have stopped working a long time ago. Probably the admin guy, I've never told him, I'll be very honest, I never told him to get rid of that Crypto 24, because obviously that's not your issue, right? Like, that's not the community issue, so you can make the most out of it. And also, honestly, even I do forget some time to remind him, but even if I remember it, I never tell him to remove it. Yeah, perfect perfect perfect. सिर्फ लेवल्स टेस्ट कर लिया अभी, चलो ऑसम ऑसम। आपको कितनी बार कहा है कुछ डाउट्स क्लियर कर दो सीएम के, एक दिन बस 2 मिनट लगेगा। I do host the doubt solving session now, if you remember. That will be done for today as well. AC thanda. Yes, the AC uh, it went crazy. Yeah, so for anyone who does not know what CVD or open interest is, let me quickly explain it to you. Most of our OG members, they do know about it. We have been using this for a very long time. So let me explain you first about this, and then Chris, I'll take your question about the TPU as well. I would love to explain you guys about all of this advanced tools, because yeah, why not? And keeping the community up to date is what I would like to do anyways. So yeah, let me adjust the chart so that you can see everything that is on my screen as well. Yeah, perfect. So right now what you are looking at is a chart which is divided into three different sections. On the top, what you're looking at is your normal price action of Bitcoin. Second part is CVD. The full form of CVD is cumulative volume delta. So it takes all the volume of Bitcoin, be it long, be it short, or whatever is happening in the market, and it starts to move in a direction, like either to the upside, or you can see in some part it was going lower. Like here, it started to go lower. All right. So it moves in a particular direction. And then the third part is your open interest, which you see at the bottom. All right. So now you have these 3 points. This is how it is. It looks. Now, what does they signify? All right. Top, it is price action, so nothing too crazy about that. CVD, it shows you what the market is doing. All right, are they buying, are they selling, is there aggressive buying, is there aggressive selling? That is what it shows you. All right, on the bottom it is open interest. So now open interest shows you if the new money is entering into the market or not. All right, if the CVD is going higher, that does not mean that the new money is entering into the market. That only shows you the direction of the trades. Are they going long, are they going short? But then it is open interest that shows you if the new money is the new money entering into the market or not. All right, so that is how they work. Now there are certain diversions created on this, like you can track all the whale and the bigger players activity just using this. I'll make sure to explain more about this to you guys, because I remember the question where Chris asked about the TPO thing. So yeah, let's get to the chart. Let's get to Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin works. TPO again, Chris, this is for you. You'll have to be using TPO on a 30-minute time frame only. You cannot be using it on a daily or 10 or 15 or wherever. TPO is always supposed to be used on a 30-minute time frame. All right. So TPO is divided into different sessions. So if I show it to you, uh, sorry, yeah, here you go. That's histogram is too large. Pleasing. Okay, yeah, we are on the wrong chart. Really sorry. Let it load. Let it load. Until then, I'll have a look at the chat. Uh, तारीफ सुनूंगा कोहट की. Don't worry, don't worry. Cohort, there is still some time. You have enough time to accumulate funds in case if you want to. All right. So I've made a certain changes to my TPO, so that's the reason why it looks a bit different. But then yeah, this is what TPO charts usually look like. This is on Binance, so it also depends upon the kind of volume that you might get to see. So if I hide everything, probably yeah, I'll probably just try to stick to the Bitcoin Bybit chart. Earphones, I see you. Happens, brother. Happens. Yeah. So trading view, it's taking some time to load, but yeah, once it is done, 30 minute. Okay, yeah, so there is some issue with this, but it's still good enough for me to explain you what TPO is and how it works. So TPO is basically what do you call, it is made up of very tiny blocks. All right, so you see there are a lot of tiny blocks here on TPO. So that is how TPO is built. So every time when first let's not even talk about TPO, why to use TPO and what does it signify. So you track a market on the basis of volume, right? You look at I'll stick to normal candles and talk about it. Yeah, so when you are trading, you track volume. You see, okay, here in this particular area the volume was high, in this particular area the volume was extremely low. All right, so that is how you track volume, and then on the basis of volume you're like, okay, now I want to go long here because the volume in this particular XYZ level was extremely high or extremely low. So that is what you do, right? Now now the thing is, you, as a advanced trader, all right, as a advanced trader or as a trader who's trying to scale up, and that is for any asset, all right, like be it Ethereum, be it Bitcoin, whatever. All right, so as a trader who's trying to scale up his trading, even for beginners, even for intermediate, this is for all the traders out there. You can use it. So what TPO does is, like, it's time price opportunity. That's the full form of TPO. So what it does for you is it shows you levels on, not on the basis of volume, all right, not on the basis of buying and selling, but on the basis of timing. Like, for market to fill a particular level, it has to spend a certain time at that level to fill whatever the order was. All right, but then if it aggressively moved away, like let's take this big green candle for an example. The trade room guy needed a big stuff, but yeah, here you go, we have a big green candle. So let's say if this was extremely aggressive, just a one way push towards the upside, so there are chances that at probably at 2723 or 2709, market did not spend enough time for whatever were the limit orders to get filled, and it just kept on pushing higher and higher and higher. All right, so because of that, now you have two new levels at the bottom, which TPO will show you. Price will reverse, hit those levels and just get the reversal. All right, so that is what TPO does. It is built upon the basis of how much time the market has spent at a particular price. All right. It also helps you with price action as well. So that is another part for you. Another advantage that it helps you with price action as well. So if the price action is strong, it is not strong, are there chances of reversal, are there no chances of reversal, it will help you with all of that as well. No emotions, only lose. I mean, that guy, he talks random shit on the stream. He's the biggest gambler according to me. He's the biggest gambler. See, even with the top G guy, probably there are few things that I can relate with and agree with. Yeah, completely fine. Even with other traders, I think there are a few things that I can relate with. But then the way how that scalp king he's trading and how he talks shit, there's literally nothing that you can relate with and say that okay, this is fine, this makes sense. Nope, I did not like. I've seen 4 5 streams, but there was never a time where I could say okay, this actually makes sense. Liquidation heat map, for sure, we have that on our screen. This is what the liquidation heat map looks like. Hi, bhai log. Hey, Roshan, what's up, brother? Welcome to the stream. Guys, have you started to use the AI terminal yet or not on the mode decks? Because I've told you, if you remember, this is like you can go to the terminal. Give me a minute. Yeah, so this is what the AI terminal look like. This can basically make your trading journal automated, all right? Like you can literally just take a screenshot of whatever trade is running or whatever has ended. Just take a screenshot of the dashboard, paste it here, and ask it to enter in your trading journal, all right? So make sure to use this. For that, it can do the analysis of whatever trade you are in, all right? So these are two of the major part that I think all of you guys as my community member, you do need to use it, because AI is obviously the most important thing right now. And if you can use that with your trading, it makes sense as well. All right. So the reason why I am building my own indicator is because it will save me a lot of time. All right. From marking levels and everything. Again, I'll be marking most of my levels by myself, but then again, I can automate some of it. So this is another one of those reasons. This is another thing that I'm going to be using as well. I'll definitely like I'll get my trading journal automated. Exness ka Malik. I'll tell you something. There is this particular individual in India. Just give me a second. Let me have a sip of water. Water. Let me have a sip of water. Manan, yeah, that actually happens with him. Once he is in the trade, and most of his trades are in green, like on stream at least, whatever I've seen. And then he starts to talk any random stuff that okay, this happens, that happens, and whatnot. But then, yeah, as I was saying, what was the message? Okay. Congratulations on winning the duel, brother. What was I talking about? I really forgot what I was talking about. I'm really sorry. Yeah, I was talking about one of the Xness influencer who is in India right now. All right. Uh, in the description that was shared to me, I mean, I'm sure it was not edited, but yeah, in the description that I saw, it was clearly mentioned that Xness is not legal in India and it is not for Indian users. That individual who was talking about it was from India. His audience base is from India. They just mentioned a quick note in the description, and now they expect you to just take care of whatever might be the outcome of it. All right. So yeah, that is how people are trying to scam you recently. Like like it was literally written in the description that okay, Xness is not legal in India, trade on your own risk, and it is not for Indian traders and whatnot. But yeah, that was really messed up. Cool. What else do we have? I'm looking at the chat. Freeze होने के बाद कोई freeze is not even the issue. I mean, yeah, it actually makes a difference. Like if you see $1,000 or $2,000 getting freeze, I mean, yeah, it will affect you. But then the point is not about account getting freeze. It's about the legal action that can be taken against you, because it is literally listed on a government website. All right, it's not a random stuff. It's not a random ban or whatsoever. I mean, yeah, there are a lot of things which is banned in India and people are still enjoying it. I mean, you guys know what I'm talking about. But if some action is taken against you, obviously it's going to be massive, because again the tax part, all right, because with crypto that's the massive concern, all right, that's the massive concern, which is about your uh, tax, all right, because you can trade for a year, 2 year or 3 years, and your government will already know what you are trading, where you are trading, and how much you are trading. And that's the reason why I started on the mode that it's extremely not regulated, no KYC, no such random stuff. So okay. Welcome to the stream. Will there be more liquidity sweep before Bitcoin hits a new all-time high? Sort of. So let's get back to the chart. Just give me a minute. Let me get back to the chart, and we can talk in better terms then. 8 hours should be perfect. See, we've already got liquidity sweep. A second sweep is not the best case scenario, because yeah, market has already showed you a lot of strength in a scenario where you'll start to lose this 100k, because for a good liquidity sweep, you'll have to go below this. All right. And after seeing such kind of strength, if the market is still not able to sustain and you start to lose this, I would be more biased towards thinking that this was your high, this was your lower high, and then we'll just continue to push lower. All right. So that's absolutely a possibility. So that is something like a good retracement, a 4-5% retracement. Yeah, a 4-5% retracement is fine for me. But then if you go like 10% and more lower, that's not the scenario which you want to be in. वाम चूम चाम हो जाएगा फिर. Yeah, exactly, it's not going to be the best case scenario. I mean, it might work out, you might get to see the sweep, that 99k level, if you guys remember, that I was talking about, it's still there, it's still untapped, so you might get to see the reaction from that level. But yeah, then the chances of you hitting a new all-time high will decrease massively, and probably the outcome of that move will be that the altcoins will start to pump aggressively. All right. So once you start to lose this 100k mark and start to close below that on the daily and weekly time frame, you are going to see altcoins going crazy. All right. And that is absolutely possible. The mechanical keyboard supremacy. Except people are just gambling in the chat as well. So I was literally talking against gambling, and people are just gambling in the chat itself, gambling against each other now. Chalo, good. You at least you are gambling with the free money, all right? Because TWSC coin, it still holds a lot of value. You can buy a lot of things with it. But Bitcoin down, altcoin up. Yes, exactly. That is called as the altcoin season next year. If in a scenario, if you did not know about it, I'm just letting you know that that is called as a altcoin season, where Bitcoin moves aggressively. All right. Then it gets into a sideways market, it starts to range, and then the altcoins, they start to go crazy. All right. Because if you see, there is a dedicated chart for it called as Bitcoin dominance, where yeah, here you go. So you see this chart, you are supposed to see this on a daily or a weekly or whatever time frame. Every time when this Bitcoin dominance falls, all right, like aggressively falls, the altcoins will start to pump as well. All right. So that is another possibility. And that is how altcoin season usually starts. Okay. Tomorrow as well, I think I'll be streaming again in the morning itself, guys, because it was interesting. We got trading opportunities and everything as well. And the weird part that we also traded Forex in that particular stream, like I mean the analysis part. So yeah, I'll be streaming in the morning as well. So I'll try to make 3 different streams throughout the day. And if not 3, then at least 2. We are extremely consistent with 2 streams every day. If possible, I'll try to make it 3 as well. All right. Okay, I knew about it, but this is more detail. Yeah, yeah, absolutely. I'll make it more detail in the next stream if you join it. All right. So that's it from my end, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me, and I'll see you all in the next stream with the indicator updates as well. Bye.